Hi guys, today I will cover Novo Nordisk, a pharmaceutical company from Denmark. On the monthly, if you start here in 1990, you can count 5 waves up in a wave 1, your wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your wave 3, and now we had a 65% pullback, the largest pullback it has ever done. Also, your monthly RSI is oversold, which it never did before. Your weekly has also been sitting here for the past year. You formed your first bullish divergence here. Maybe it will dip one more and form like another one. Maybe we already have the low. I don't know if we're gonna straight go to all-time highs. We might also do this without then taking this or something like this, or just a triangle. But we have to find out while the move up is happening and analyze the structure there. All I'm saying is I think the probabilities are high that we're gonna get a bounce at least, and if not, take new all-time highs, make new all-time highs. I'm looking at their revenues quarterly. Yeah, percentage-wise, their revenue growth has like decreased a little bit, but I think that's due to tariffs and stuff going on in the world. They still come from, like, in 2023 they had 58 billion in Q3. Now in Q2 2025 they had 77 billion. So I mean, the revenue is growing. Yeah, year on year it's a bit growing less, but you're talking about big numbers, and yeah, I don't think it's a bad thing. Also, they have a high percentage return of invested capital, so the money they invest in their research and development, etc., they get it back quite nicely with sales. So here, if I count this as A, B, C, I can put this box here as your wave C target. Price reacted around the 1.236 level, and if I count this as I need to check something first. Like a WXY, it's not my strength. I find it very difficult. The corrective moves to like analyze exactly which one it is. A, B, C. Yeah, probably if I see this as a WXY, your Y wave should have an A, B, C, C, and in your C you would need A, B, C, 5 waves down. I can count 1, 2, 3. You don't have your 4, 5 yet, so maybe price will put in a lower low. Let me 2 steps from here. Because your wave 4 should never like if it touched the 6 one, it's for me like it invalidates the wave 4. So maybe we won't get the final push down, but it might happen. You also have here the highest volume if it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, highest volume in your 3. So, or it's some other corrective structure. Yeah, for me it's really difficult, but I think we are already bottoming or near a bottom. If I zoom in then, from the low I can count 5 A's up. Since then an ABC, and your B wave hit the 886. Like, for me this move is definitely corrective, and we will probably like at some point take this high before taking this low, in my opinion. But I also expect, like, I'm also not ruling out there is one more low coming for this wave C. So I bought like here and here. For me, if it goes down a little bit deeper, it's okay. I still think price will bounce, and like, yeah, all-time high is like 3x away from where we are. It doesn't even have to reach all-time high, and I will have good profits, you know, if it bounces. But yeah, now then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC. Your C wave has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. And it landed like almost on 0.5, and it almost closed this gap, which it didn't. It doesn't have to close, like, it's no must, but most of the time they get filled. Maybe you can count this as a filled one. I don't care. I don't mind if price like moves a bit more around here. I'm not trying to search like the ideal like price on the dollar to like buy. I already bought. For me, it doesn't matter what happens. I believe strongly that we will go up from here. So yeah, after this ABC, maybe this is an initial 1-2 setup. You have your 1, maybe then your ABC, price reacted to the 0.5. Also, you had here in the low increasing volume, here again today a little bit. So I'm gonna track this one now for the coming weeks to see if we can break through and maybe hit this 618 level to maybe increase the probabilities that we have finished the correction here. If it stays below this, chances are that we are gonna make one more low before turning around. Now we're at the 0.5 FIP. With this now as well, I noted it in my book, so it's okay. And yeah, that's that. A bit of a messy video because like there's a lot going on. I can also remove these boxes. I showed what they are. I showed there were levels here. Also, one more thing maybe. If I take this low here as your wave 2 and I draw FIPS for your wave 4, and I need to get this one right. We also, yeah, you have your first wave 4 level here at the 236. We are also like there together then with the targets for your wave C. It is a nice zone that we have here. So yeah, they also fired 9,000 jobs like people yesterday, or they announced they will cut 9,000 jobs to like increase their revenue in the coming quarters, years by 8 billion if I was not wrong. So that's, yeah. Okay, it's not good for the people, but it's good for the revenue numbers. And yeah, massive video, but I hope you learned something, or like had some fun watching. Bye bye.